Cops charge men linked to Clarendon quadruple murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to Area 3 Major Investigation Division (MID) have charged two suspects who were arrested in the aftermath of murders of 4 family members in Havana Heights on Sunday, September the 12th. Charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, 4 counts of murder are 38-year-old Oral Richard, otherwise called Creamy, and 24-year-old Andre Bennett, otherwise called Hammer. Both men are from Cherry Tree Lane, 4 Parts in Clarendon. Reports are that about 12:10 a.m., all 4 persons were at home when armed men gained access to the house and opened fire at them. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the victims were taken to the Mapen Hospital, where they were all pronounced dead. The deceased persons were later identified as 25-year-old Sharona White, 33-year-old Tashana White, 19-year-old Luke Newman, and 27-year-old Michael Solman. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Addison had this to say in relation to the case.
The investigations into the Clarendon quadruple murder that took place 2 Sundays ago have led us to charging 2 persons for murder, and we have another 4 persons in custody at the moment, and are looking at a few other people who may have been involved. We arrested 6 persons on the same day that it occurred, and these persons have remained in custody. Of those 6 that we arrested, it's out of those 6 that 2 have been charged. 4 days after the event, we recovered 4 firearms based on intelligence that we had gotten, an analysis that we had done. We recovered an AK-47 rifle, a M16 rifle, a 44 Magnum handgun, and a 9mm handgun. Those weapons were taken to the ballistics lab where they were tested, and we have found that 2 of them match the scene of the murder. So the case is progressing, and progressing well. There are still some other people we're looking at, but we're at that stage now where we have laid those charges. It's still a work in progress. Sunday will be 2 weeks, and this is where we are in the case. So we have the firearms. The science is telling us that is attaching it to specific persons, specific places, and certainly to the location of the murder. So we will update, whether by this means or through releases as information comes in. Of course, I mean, a quadruple murder does not take place every day, and so I'm very aware that this would be of significant public interest, but also it's important that our public is aware that the police, when these things come to our attention, are going to focus on it and find the perpetrators very quickly.
A court date is yet to be finalized for the 2 persons implicated in this case. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.